Today we are going to focusing first routing application. React routing application. Once you are understanding that one, whatever the previous application is there, that application we are going to convert into React routing based application. Okay. So my requirement is I need to create one page. Let us assume this is the app.js. Here I need to provide one nav bar. This nav bar level, I want to use different kind of components. For example, home component. Next, services component. Next, videos. I'm going to using here videos. You can use. Another one is about us. Another one is contact us. So these are the menu options. Whenever I'm going to click corresponding component information, I need to display here. Suppose if I'm using, home component, I need to display. If I'm going to click the services component, I need to display. Videos, about us, contact us. This kind of application, how to develop, we are going to see step by step. Okay, I'm using notepad and writing the steps. This application name I'm going to providing React.js plus routing. React.js routing application development steps. Development steps. This is the way we are going to writing. You need to follow the steps and the practice. Okay. Step number one. What is the step number one? Step number one is create a React.js project. Create a React.js project. So how to create React.js project? Open the command prompt and give the command. What is the command? npx space create react app. App name is, I'm going to say, routing application. App name is routing app. Routing app. Step number two, switch it to the, I'm going to writing here, switch it to the project location. How to switch? cd space routing app. Step number three. Step number three. Add bootstrap into your application. Here I'm using npm command. Instead of using getbootstrap.com site, I'm using npm command. So routing app command prompt level npm space install space bootstrap. It is going to install it. Once it is installed, you need to add import statement into the index.js level. We need to provide this one. Note, after install, you must add import statement into index.js. What is the import statement? Import. It is going to install in the bootstrap folder, within that distributed folder, within that css folder, within that bootstrap dot min dot css file is there. That one we need to provide the import statement. Okay, that is step number three. Step number four, install React router DOM library. That is also you need to install command prompt level. Routing app. Here you need to use npm install React router DOM. So this is the installation process. After that, step number 5, create a, we are going to do this one. These steps we are going to perform. First step I'm going to using. First step I'm using. Why? Because project creation it is taking the time. That's the reason I'm going to executing this one. Open the command prompt. This is the location level. I'm executing this command. So it is going to creating React router DOM project. React routing application, root app application, it is going to create it. So once it is created, remaining steps we can focus. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm writing this one. Here, create the following components within src components folder. What are the components I need to use? I need to use here home.js, services.js, videos.js, about us.js, contact us.js. These many components I need to create. Even I'm going to creating navbar.js. Okay. So step number 3, step number 6, add navbar component level routing. How to provide the routing? I will show that one. After that, step number 7, call navbar component into root component. What is the root component? App.js. After that, step number 8. Step number 8, copy CSS into app.css. After that, step number 9, run the application. These steps I'm going to performing. These steps we are going to see step by step. Step 1 only I'm applied. Step 1 only I'm applied. Once it is created, remaining steps we are going to focusing. Okay. Here one step is missing. We need to open the code into the VS Code. That is already you know that one, right? So here cd space routing app code space dot. It is opening. Here command prompt level. I need to use Bootstrap. Instead of using the getbootstrap.com site, I'm going to providing information. I'm going to providing information. Why? Because this npm, what is the reason is, if I'm using getbootstrap.com, internet is mandatory. Why? Because even you are creating the React project, the internet is mandatory. After creating locally, if you want to run, every time getbootstrap.com site is it is looking. Instead of doing, we are going to fetching the libraries in the local. That is the purpose I'm using here npm install bootstrap. So this is the way we are going to installing that one. It is going to installing. So once it is installed, go to the src index.js. Here I'm writing the import statement. I'm using what? Import. Here I need to specify bootstrap slash distributor slash css slash. I'm going to providing what? Bootstrap dot min dot css. This is the import statement is mandatory. Then only bootstrap capabilities are added. Okay. Look and feel purpose, we need to add that one. That is the important step. After that, I need to install the React router DOM library. I need to install React router DOM library. How to install? npm install React router DOM. This is the way we are going to provide it. Once it is installed, whether Bootstrap is installed or not, React router DOM library is installed or not, how to check? Go to the package.json file. See this one. It is installed React router DOM. Bootstrap also it is installed. Dependencies level, what are the installed in our application? Those dependencies you can able to find package.json file. So this is the way you can check that one. Okay. Next step is what? We need to go to the SRC. SRC here create in the folder. What is the folder? Components. Okay. Here we need to create a functional components all. Okay. Till now manually we are going to typing. I'm showing right now one extension. If you are installing that extension easily class component or functional component easily you can able to create. What is the extension? How to install the extension in the VS Code? Go to the extensions here. Go to the extensions here. You can type. You can search ES7. ES7 React Redux GraphQL. This is the kind of one. This is the kind of one you need to search. I'm already installed. That the reason it is showing uninstall option. If you are searching this kind of extension, you can able to see the install button. Click that one. Once it is installed, easily without typing functional component or class component structure we can able to get easily. Again I'm repeating how to install the extension. This is the extension symbol. Here extensions, click this one. Here search box level you need to search ES7 React Redux GraphQL. You can click this one. Okay. Here it is showing install in our system first time. Already installed, that's the reason it is showing uninstall. Okay. So what is the benefit? Why I'm going to installing this one? Shortcut. What the shortcuts are available here? If you are going to see, here is the shortcuts are available. Here shortcut commands are, it is going to showing here. You can use this shortcuts. See this one. Here how to use RCC. Okay, RCE, RCP, right? Here it is RPC, RPCP, like that it is available. So those kind of things we are going to using. So you need to install. See how I'm going to creating, I will show. Folder is ready. Create in the new file, home.js. Please observe, I'm not typing here. What is required? React functional component, right? Functional component export. RFCE. Press enter. We are getting C, right? Here I'm going to providing what? Just heading home component. Home component. Now I need to create one more component. Come on, tell me how to create. Select this one. Go to the file, services.js. Okay, here what is the command? How to generate the functional component? R means React functional component FC. Okay, export E and press enter. When it is possible, this one, once you are installed the plugin, then only it is possible. Okay, here we need to provide H1 tag, services component. Services component. Now I need to create one more. Come on, tell me. Open the mic. Why I'm using these many components? Practicing, drilling. Come on. How to use? Open the file. Here we what is I need to type videos.js. How to generate? How to generate the functional component? What is the shortcut? Or we need to use this one. Here we need to specify H1 videos component. Forget about other people speak so that you can able to get the clarity. Drilling. Why I'm using these many components? Now how to create about us. Go to the file about us.js. How to generate the R F
FC
C
E.
E. This is the way it is generating H1. Here just I'm going to adding the Headings only. About us component. Next, another component. Contact us. How to create? New file. Contact us.js. How to generate? What is the shortcut?
RFC.
RFCE. Right. Here we need to provide
One
h1 tag. Contact us
component.
component. Okay. This is the way we are going to creating. Now I need to create the navbar component. Come on, tell me. Select this one. Go to the new
New
file. Navbar.js. How to generate? What is the shortcut? R F
RFC.
C E. Are generated, right? Now here I'm going to concentrate in the React functionality. React routing functionality. So here what I'm doing now, I'm going to providing here bootstrap class name container. Why I'm going to using this container? Left margin 10 pixels, right margin 10 pixels, space it is going to provide it. That is the purpose. Okay. After that, I'm going to using browser router. What is that one? Browser router, routing purpose. What is the routing? You can get the more clarity after completing the application. This is the tag first it is required. Within that, I'm going to providing what? An order list. Within that, list items. Here we need to provide the link tag. This link tag level, I need to provide the path. For the path home. Home I need to provide. Okay. This is the way we need to use home. After that, home, services, videos, about us, contact us, these things are required. So here I need to provide. Here what is I need to provide? Here I need to provide. Here I need to provide services. Here I need to provide services. Here we need to provide videos. Here we need to provide videos. Next, this one is what? About us. About us. Okay, here what is required? Contact us. So whatever the components you are created, based on that, you need to provide the information. After this, I need to provide here roots. Roots. After this, these are the libraries are where it is available. React router DOM level, it is there. What is the library? React router DOM library. You need to use this one. Opening and closing. Within that, root. Whenever I'm going to click that link, corresponding component information I need to display. That is the purpose. Root path equal to what is the path? Home. Here component name I need to specify. That is the purpose. Here we need to provide home. Home component I need to define this one. This is the way we need to provide services also. Come on, how to write? Root. Come on. Path equal to
Path
slash
Service.
services. Whatever the path is there,
services.
that path. Here element. Element
Meant
is nothing but a what? Component. Okay. Element equal to flower brackets are required. Here, what are the component names? Services. Right? This is
Services.
the way we are going to writing and close this one. Now practice. Two I am explained. Remaining you need to explain. This is the way drilling. Root.
Path.
Root is required, right? Root after that path. Very good.
Path.
alt
Slash videos.
Slash
Videos.
videos.
video.
Whatever the path I'm going to specify, that one I need to use. Okay, same path. Even spelling mistake also there, as it is you need to provide. Otherwise, it is not work out. Okay, element equal
Element.
to within that
Okay.
Video.
videos with the component. So how I'm going to provide the syntax? See this one. Flower bracket inside, component less than, videos, closing tag, and closing the greater than, flower bracket is closed. This is the way we need to define. Okay. Now tell me another one about us. Come on. Any other people? Root. What is required?
Root.
path. Here you need to specify about us. Element equal to, we need to provide here what? About us. About us. Okay. Next, come on, tell me. Root.
Yeah.
And
Path.
path equal to slash whatever the link tag level line number 17 path is there, same to same I need to use here. Don't mismatch. Okay. Here we need to provide element equal to flower bracket is required, right? Here we need to provide what? Contact us. So this one, I'm always using control space. I'm not typing fully. Observe, I'm not fully typing. I'm always using control space. Automatically recognizing and press enter. Control space, press enter. Control space, select test, press enter. Okay. This is the way speed up. Each and every character you are going to typing, people are observed. You are not experienced. At least after completing this training, you need to claim the 5 years of experience. You don't want 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs package. You need to get the packages 10 lakhs above. That is required. Otherwise, what is the purpose of learning? YouTube level also, some YouTube videos also available. You need to learn that one. 105 videos are there. Viswas videos. You can go through that one. But hands-on experience is required, right? That is the purpose of this training. This kind of way we need to create the nav bar. This nav bar where I need to call app.js root component level, right? So here logo I don't want. Remove this one. Simple, sir. Very simple. I'm using each and everything step by step. Test planning, practice, repeat same thing. That's enough. If someone is asking the interview, same thing you can explain, you can select. Anyhow, we are going to develop the project also. So that project experience, I'm going to give the 5 projects along with the code. You need to understand that one. That's it. What is the problem, man? I will take care each and everything. You just follow. That's it. Here we need to call what? Now bar. Now bar. This is the way we are going to provide it. Okay. So here for your reference purpose, I will copy paste this code also, where each and everything home component is this one, right? Just I'm going to copy here. Steps are there now. Here home component. Okay. Next, similarly, I need to provide what next? Services also. So each and every step I'm going to sharing. Even you can take the one pen and book. Running notes also try to write down. Even deep sleep level also you need to recollect. This is the way I'm going to developing. Step 1, this one. Step 2, this one. Like that. You need to note down. Practice. Welcome the error. How to resolve. That is the way you are getting the experience.